Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to send text messages and reply to received messages on any Android phone. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Messages app on your Android phone. Depending on your device, the app may be called Messages, Messaging, or simply SMS. Tap the app to open it. Once the app opens, you'll see a list of your recent conversations. If you've never sent a message before, this screen may be empty. To create a new message, look for the New Message, Start Chat, or Compose button. On most Android phones, this button appears as a floating icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it to begin a new conversation. At the top of the screen, you'll find the recipient field. Here, you can either type the phone number of the person you want to message or start typing the name of someone saved in your contacts. As you type, matching contacts will appear. Simply tap the correct contact to select it. Now tap inside the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your text message. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter whatever you'd like to send. You can write a simple greeting, ask a question, or type a longer message. Once you've finished typing, review your message to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, tap the Send button. This button usually appears as a paper airplane or an arrow next to the message box. Your message will be sent immediately, provided your phone has a mobile network connection. Modern messaging apps also allow you to send much more than plain text. If you'd like to attach a photo, look for the Gallery or Photos icon near the message box. Tapping this icon opens your photo library, allowing you to choose one or more images. After selecting the photos, tap the Send button to include them with your message. If you want to take a brand new picture instead of choosing an existing one, tap the camera icon. Your phone's camera will open, allowing you to capture a new photo. After taking the picture, you can review it and send it directly without leaving the messaging app. Many Android phones also include a plus or attachment button. Tapping this button opens additional sharing options. Depending on your phone, you may be able to attach videos, documents, contacts, your current location, GIFs, stickers, or other types of files. Simply choose the type of attachment you want, select the item, and then send your message as usual. Some messaging apps also support voice messages. If your messaging app includes this feature, you'll see a microphone icon near the message box. Press and hold the microphone while speaking your message, then release it when you're finished. You can usually preview the recording before sending it to the recipient. Now let's see how to reply to a message you've received. Whenever someone sends you a text message, your phone will usually display a notification near the top of the screen. You can swipe down from the top to open the notification panel and tap the message to open the conversation instantly. Alternatively, you can open the Messages app yourself and select the conversation from your message list. This will display the complete chat history between you and the other person. To reply, tap inside the message box at the bottom of the conversation and type your response using the keyboard. Just like when creating a new message, you can also add photos, videos, documents, emojis, stickers, or voice messages before sending your reply. Once you've finished writing your response, tap the Send button. Your reply will appear in the conversation and will be delivered to the recipient. As you continue exchanging messages, the entire conversation remains organized in a single chat, making it easy to review previous messages whenever you need them. That's all there is to sending and replying to text messages on an Android phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.